Premier from i2i Technologies provides people and organizations with professional expertise and confidence while helping their live, virtual, and hybrid events run smoothly. It's easily customizable for a variety of activities. Services and support can be delivered before, during, or after your event. In this video, we will show you how our customized branding and effective communication strategies can create the identity of your event. We offer guidance for implementation, providing professional images and copywriting, including co-branded images, event theme images, email signatures, social media kits, event website images, content and sequence calendars, digital asset management, virtual backgrounds, and email marketing platform management and maintenance. We can also assist with promoting sponsors, advising on information to collect, and spotlighting them through social media, email, event websites, event apps, and videos. Let us help you create a unique and memorable experience for your attendees with our professional branding and communication services. Visit i2itech.com/virtual to learn more.